Hi everyone, we're looking at two more models of Victorinox Swiss Army knife. This one is secretary, this one is money clip. They're both the same color, it's silver, and the handle material is ALOX. So let's do a comparison. Let's look at the secretary first. Okay, this knife, let me give you some measurements. This knife measures 3.5 inch long. Okay, it has two blades. One's the larger one, the other one is the small one. Okay, the knife is very thin. It doesn't have any other tools on it. It doesn't have the standard tweezers or the toothpick. But I still like this knife because it's a slick design. It's easy to carry. When you put it in your pocket or your bag, you're not gonna know it's there. And there's two blades, so one's you can use for cutting meat, and the other one you can cut vegetable. Very useful. This one is the model money clip. It has one large blade and this one is the nail file. Okay, on the other side there is scissors, very useful scissors. Okay, this knife has a money clip in the back as the model name. It's also very thin. Let me just show you side by side of those two knives. Okay, they're both very thin, except the money clip has the extra clip on it, so make it a little bit wider, but still very thin knives. Same color, is silver, using the ALOX handle. Let me show you the blade comparison. Okay. There. The secretary may have a thicker blade, right? Can't really tell, but okay. So those two knives, they're very good. They're thin and they're light to carry, and they're very toughly made. They're not like the standard Victorinox Swiss Army knife uses a plastic handle. Those are made of aluminum, so it's very tough. You don't need to worry about break it or anything. But don't lose it, because they are so light and they are so easy to slip out of your pocket. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll have the item link below. Thanks.